Our today's topic is subject and predicate. These are the parts of sentence. Subject plus predicate make a complete sentence. It means when subject and predicate come together, they make a complete sentence. So, subject means naming part of the sentence and predicate means telling part or the action part of the sentence. Subject means naming part. What do you mean by naming part? Naming part means it tells who or what in the sentence. Means sentence में which person is talking और किसके बारे में बात हो रही है. It means the sentence is about who or what. Sentence किसके बारे में है. It means naming part. First example, Luke played saucer. In this sentence, the sentence is about who? It is about Luke. It means Luke is the subject in this given sentence. Luke is the subject because it is about, the sentence is about Luke. That's why it is called a subject. Now in the next sentence, the apple is red. Who can tell me in the given sentence which is the subject? Yes, very good. This sentence is about apple, so the apple is a subject. The next part is predicate. Predicate means telling part or the action in the given sentence. It tells what someone or something is or does. It means which action is done by subject. It is known as predicate. मतलब subject जो है वो जो action कर रहा है, जो काम कर रहा है, it is known as predicate. Example of the predicate: Mr. Bart lost his hat. In the given sentence, you already know subject is Mr. Bart. And which action is there about Mr. Bart? He lost his hat. That's why lost his hat, it is the predicate. Because this sentence is about Mr. Bart and action is lost his hat. So, it is a predicate of the given sentence. Second example, a bee buzzed around me. Now, who can tell me which one is the predicate in the given sentence? Yes, very good. This sentence is about bee. So, bee is a subject. And which action bee has done? Buzzed around me. That's why buzzed around me is a predicate. Very good. Next example, the ball rolled down the hill. So, in a given sentence, subject is the ball. And what is the action of the ball? Roll down the hill. That's why it is a predicate. When either there is only subject, it does not get any information. For example, the pig. The pig, it does not give any information. How it is look like, it is a big or it is in a mud. So, it is not giving any sense. So, only subject, it does not make a complete sentence. Similarly, if there is only predicate, it also does not give any correct information, correct sense. For example, is deep and cold. But what is deep and cold? Either it is the ocean or something other. कौन सी चीज deep and cold है? It is don't get any information. That's why only predicate it also does not make a complete sentence. For the sentence, subject and predicate, both the things are important. It means subject plus predicate, complete sentence.